judges kasi si Bacoor hindi na makapalakpak kaya.
Dapat siya na lang ang pinalit kayo.
Iba ko ang ba? Di ba ko ang pinaglag, no? Ang ganda ni Bacoor ba tinaglag?
You ready? Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life?
My grandmother put me through school, and the biggest lesson I have learned from her is to always be kind. She is someone who has a big heart and took care of me ever since I was a kid. And I do think that if my grandmother is someone that I can look up to, she is someone that is an embodiment of what a great woman is. Thank you.
Bagyo Pins yan eh. May sobra ka na lang ating ilang masensya na. Hindi ka ba yung sagot mo?
What is your breakthrough or biggest achievement, and how did it improve you as a person?
Being here in this prestigious pageant or this Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is my greatest achievement. The Tara before is someone who doesn't really limit her herself when it comes to her achievements. Where I can step here in this Miss Universe Philippines and I see the transformation, the improvement, and how I was able to become an inspirational woman that I am now. And that is something that I will be proud of after this year. Thank you.
All throughout your life. Now tell us about how
Nakanapak na doon
you
sa
have
likod ng
inspired
pastel si
others.
Iloilo sa galit.
You know, I've been told many times that I am too short to join a beauty pageant. But now I realize that pageants are a representation, a reflection of that very nation. And tonight, I am not only representing myself, but every Filipino woman who sees themselves in me. That just like the universe, we too are limitless.
You are beautiful and confident. How do you use these qualities to empower others?
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has a standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the values that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing it right now. As a other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I
What is the biggest challenge you faced as a Filipino woman, and what do you do to hurdle the challenge?
I think one of the biggest challenges that Filipino face today are being limited by still being shadowed by, unfortunately, men or in society. But I think with my platform and me standing here in front of you today, I can encourage women that you too can stand up, you can be strong, you can be powerful, and you can own your own destiny like I